Christmas. I hope you are having a great time. Today we are going to work our legs and glutes with the Pilates ball. So you already know the benefits of the Pilates ball, so I'm not gonna talk about that. But we're going to have a great time working our legs and glutes today. So make sure you have a ball, and if you do not have a ball, then you might as well have a towel in between your hands, which is this long, and you can hold it like this in between your hands. And you're going to need a mat as always. So without any further ado, let's get into it.
Hello everyone. So today for day 5 we are working with the Pilates ball. So for the first exercise you're going to place the ball just below your pelvis. You're going to engage your core and then just pick up one leg alternatively. By doing this you are challenging your core, and you are also helping your legs and glutes to get stronger. Remember, whenever you pick your leg up, you're also squeezing your glutes along with it, along with the movement. Now for the next exercise, you're gonna pick both the legs together. This seems like a very easy exercise, but the Pilates ball adds the stability element to it. It becomes quite difficult to balance yourself on the Pilates ball. So if you have one, if you even have a normal ball, playing ball, then you can use that for the exercise. Now for the third exercise, you're going to just try to stick your heels together. It's called as the heel squeeze prone. So you are basically squeezing your heels together in the prone position. Prone is when your head is facing the mat. So this will help you to tone your inner thighs. Now we are doing hamstring curls. So hamstring curls while on the Pilates ball are challenging your core so much. And now again we do hamstring curls, but we are doing hamstring lifts right now. So you're just gonna lift and keep breathing throughout. Again we're gonna lift, and after we're done lifting we're going to abduct. So just pulling together and pushing out of the knees is happening, right? So yeah, now for the next exercise we're gonna place the Pilates ball in between our ankles, pick it up and then press it while we're up in the air. Alright, then come down and you just keep doing this. This will help you to build your inner thigh strength and toning as well. This is basically again total inner thigh work. So make sure your core is engaged even though you are in an elevated position of your torso. You are on your forearm and you're breathing thoracically. So we're almost towards the end of the day 4 workout. If you have been following till now, then do leave a comment, like, share, subscribe to my channel, and have a great workout. Bye bye.
So everyone, that was the day 5 workout where we burned our legs and glutes today. So if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and like, comment, share all that good stuff, and let your friends and family know about the 7 Days to Christmas series so that they can join in on the fun as well. Alright, that's it for today. See you tomorrow for day 6. Bye bye.